Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this 5-star folder from Mead. This thing has a 1-year warranty from Mead. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but guys, this folder, not only does it have on the inside the pockets, but it also has little holders on the top that keep everything so secure. I can't tell you how many times when I was at school where I took my binder out of the backpack and it was like this, and everything comes falling out the bottom. This thing, you don't have to worry about that at all. It has a name tag. It's made of this like plastic material. And guys, I put 30 pages in here comfortably. 30 on each side. Any more than that, it got a little bit stuffed, but you can fit at least 30 on each side. You could probably fit more. You could probably fit like 40 or 50 before it really got kind of too bad, but comfortably, guys, you can fit 30 on each side. So 60 pieces of paper. And I highly recommend this because my favorite thing is the material that's made of. It is high quality. It is like a plastic material. It isn't going to rip and fall apart. It also has these rings where the rings go. They're triangle shaped, so there's plenty of flexibility in there. You're not going to have this all of a sudden one day rip off of one of those rings like you've probably experienced. This thing's high quality and it's going to last you a long time. And that's my favorite thing, guys, just how high quality it is. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.